This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking immediate action. Confirm Windows updates are installed and you're online, then sign into the same Microsoft account used by Xbox. Next, open Settings, go to Apps, find Microsoft Store and perform a reset. This clears app data and can fix corrupted cache. Once done, restart the store and try opening Xbox. If it still fails, proceed to repair cache services and app registrations in the next step. Now we handle deeper fixes. Open PowerShell as administrator and run commands to re-register Microsoft Store and Xbox app packages. This repairs broken manifests and permissions. After that, restart critical services like Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service to ensure downloads and authentication flow correctly. Run WS Reset. EXE to clear the store cache, and then open Event Viewer to scan for store or Xbox errors so you can target any remaining failures. Make sure to reboot before the final verification. To finish, reinstall the Xbox app from the Microsoft Store or remove it and use PowerShell to reinstall if the store itself is flaky. If problems persist, create a new local user and test the store/Xbox there to rule out profile corruption. Finally, consider an in-place repair install of Windows to restore system components without losing files. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip: capture event viewer logs and specific error codes before escalation. Those codes guide targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.